Welcome back, artists. This time, in this video, I'm going to do a picture of this whitetail buck. It's for our neighboring friends up near our family farm, Pat and Kathy Priddy. This is the animal Pat has hanging on his wall. He found the sheds and decided to finish out the mount, and here it is. It's a beautiful whitetail buck. So this is the reference photograph. I printed it off in black and white. And I did that because it helps me establish the values and look at the relative lights and darks. As you can tell, I'm left-handed, and unless I put the source of light in the painting itself, by default, my source of light would be in the upper left-hand corner at 10 o'clock. If I were right-handed, it would be off the page at 2 o'clock. To get me started, I did a pencil drawing. I'm going to set the reference photograph up here a little bit off the screen, but I'll be looking to it as I'm going along. I've penciled in the basic outline for the image that I'm going to do. And then I'll just go along and build upon it, probably in a vignette sort of format, because this seems to be set up that way already. So going from one corner to the next, like this. I'm going to start with a simple watercolor pencil. This is black, just nothing special about it, and catch these black areas right here. And because this is portrait-like, I want to be sure I get the eyes right especially, and a little bit of the nose where the black markings are around the deer. So let's get started. Just going over my pencil lines. These deer have big, beautiful eyes. I'll leave the lamp light in there. Okay. Let me just touch that a little bit with water. Okay, now I'll grab those real dark areas. I'm going to touch a little bit with some graphite. This is a white-tailed deer, and a white-tailed deer is a fairly fair, is a fair-skinned, fair-colored animal. I got a little bit of darkness right up here. Out on his tips of his ears. Okay, that's got my initial underpainting done in watercolor graphite, which is this material here. Now I'm going to go through and grab the highlighted areas, the white parts of the deer. I'm going to use, this is the nose is actually black, but to get a shiny black like his nose would have, I've got to use like a light blue. Okay, so that's got the white areas established. Let's go to the light yellow areas. All right, so there's the deer laid in. Now let's come in and fill them in with some background colors here. By that, we'll loosen them up. We will paint outside the lines a little bit. All right. Okay, well, I'm liking that. I think we're pretty well there. I think that's pretty much done. Now I have it clamped to the board. I'll let it dry, and then I'll take another look at it again with fresh eyes and see how I like it. But as it stands right now, I really like it. Let's go back to the original photograph. Here it is. You've got the black nose, the black dark eyes, dark top, the white underneath. Got the black nose, or they're actually brown eyes. I went darker with the antlers because I needed the contrast. I got my black background a little bit dark, so I had to go darker with my antlers. But I'm okay with that. The white underneath, around the eyes and the ears, and overall I think it looks like a whitetail. It's very loose. I mean, it's a certain style. It's kind of one of those things, you like it or you don't. Either way is fine. But I like this. If you found this helpful and useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It helps me keep going and making other paintings. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.